Today we're going to be adjusting her, we're working on torticollis. We're going to be using the activator method, which is light and gentle. Are you ready? Okay. Here you go. Come on. Alrighty. So I start at the pelvis and work my way up. How you doing? Looking out the window? Good. You're getting stronger, Caroline. Okay, come on. Here, I'm gonna hold it. Can I see it for a second? This way. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Okay, let me see one more. One more. Count. All right. All right, so now we're just going to recheck her upper back and neck. Hi. Hi, what do you see? All right, let me see this one more. Here. Good. Okay, and that's it.
All right. So how can chiropractic help a baby with torticollis?
So when infant presents with torticollis, it's where they don't have full rotation in their neck, where they typically have a head tilt, or they're leaning more to one side over the other. And when we work with the torticollis, we work on stretching the musculature and fixing the misalignment in the neck. Typically when they have torticollis, they were either lodged in the birth canal or coming out, they get stretched and torn. So making sure that the vertebrae in the neck are properly positioned so they get better rotation.
Now, obviously an adjustment on a baby is a lot different than one on an adult. Can you describe how an adjustment on a baby is a little different than the adult one?
Yep, absolutely. An adjustment on a child takes about as much pressure as it takes to blanch the tip of your fingertip white. So it really takes little pressure, and as you saw today, I used the activator, which is very light and gentle. You can use manual manipulation using your hands, and it really, typically on a child, if you just apply pressure in the area that needs moved, they'll often turn their head so that it'll adjust on its own.
Can you describe what the activator feels like on an adjustment for a baby?
Yep, so the activator has different settings, so when I do on an infant, it's turned all the way down. It feels just like a gentle pressure. Most people describe it as a stapler, but it's just really gentle, light pressure.
Okay, great. What advice would you give to parents on how to find a good chiropractor for their child?
Well, when you are seeking a chiropractor, typically it goes, you want to make sure you interview the person, see if you like their personality, but there's a website called ICPA for kids, and you can go on there and find a chiropractor who specifically works with children.
Okay, great. Now, what conditions for babies and children can be treated with chiropractic?
In chiropractic for children, we treat things from ear infections, torticollis, colic, acid reflux, bedwetting. Sorry.
That's fine.
I've treated a child with ADD, really anything that's nervous system related. But we see really great results with torticollis, ear infections, colic. It helps with, like I said, bedwetting.
Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay.